Oh, shit.
Ben! Don't go!
Can't leave him, Dan. I gotta help him.
Leave it alone, General. He's on his own. No one crosses the border. They will not dare to cross. What's he doing? Hold your position.
He makes one wrong move, we'll climb up his ass.
You got it.
The Americans are bluffing. They will not dare do any more. Alfredo. Thank God you're alive. Come on, Jim. Thank you. Bless you.
I can see the love of freedom shining in your eyes. I can see the love of freedom in your eyes. Oh,
Hold it. Fella up there. You know her?
chạy đi, tao bảo đi anh chứ.
Guess what I've got?
situation to Captain Cross.
Captain! She said she's on arrest!
What name?
Liz Braddock! I'm a translator for the embassy!
Give me your papers.
They're lost! They're stolen!
Oh, come.
Look at them first!
I need your papers.
I told you somebody stole them! Of course you have to believe
Well, there's nothing I can do about that. What?
Lynn, please! Lynn! Look at the list!
Colonel Braddock. Get a phone, Colonel.
Commander, please, I give you $1,000. Please, I love America. Come on. Hey, let me go up there. Hey, hey, đừng có mà, come on, let me go. Hey, hey.
Hey, take off. They got you, Colonel.
That bastard's probably...
All right, there you go, Colonel. Okay. All right, move about, move!
No medals, no ribbons, no welcome parade. It's a lonely road home and a heavy price to pay. Now I say a prayer for those that remain, and I wonder will ever find freedom again.
I should run for president. I didn't think you needed it.
Oh, really?
Mr. Braddock?
That's right.
Colonel James Braddock?
What can I do for you?
Could I have a few moments of your time?
Sit down.
Thank you. Please, could we please talk more privately?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
No, thank you. I'm Reverend Polanski from the Amerasian Children's Mission in Vietnam. Occasionally I come to this country to raise funds for the mission. I was hoping I could find you before I went back.
Find me? Why?
About a year ago, a young Amerasian child came to the mission begging for help. He told me that his mother was sick. I went to see if there's anything I could do, and found out you worked for the U.S. Embassy during the war. She has been severely punished by the Vietnamese government. Having a half-American son had made things even worse for her.
I'm sorry to hear that, but what's that got to do with me?
The woman's married name is Mrs. James Braddock.
What did you say?
I'm talking about your wife, Mr. Braddock. Ling Tang Kang.
You're mistaken.
No, there is no mistake.
My wife died during the fall of Saigon.
Your wife is alive. I know her quite well. Your son's name is Van. He's now 12 years old.
My wife and I didn't have a son.
Why is it so hard for you to believe me?
Because I saw my wife's body burned to a crisp, that's why.
You may have seen her body, but it wasn't your wife. Ling Tang Kang is alive.
Believe whatever you want, Reverend. I know better. Your few moments are out.
Oh, they got this great place in Georgetown.
Even if you did believe me, I doubt if there's anything you could do. I've already gone to the State Department and they will do nothing. But I had to let you know. Goodbye, Mr. Braddock. God be with you.
Thank you.
Braddock, CIA. Please come with us.
Wait outside. It's been a long time, Colonel Braddock. How have you been?
You know how I've been, Little John. Now, what do you want?
You just met with a Reverend Polanski.
So?
Did he tell you some kind of crazy story about your wife being alive?
Is it a crazy story?
Of course it is.
Big mistake, Little John. I didn't believe it until now. What are you going to do about getting them out?
Nothing.
If I don't get them out, they're going to die.
People die every day. Braddock, I'm warning you, don't step on any toes.
I don't step on toes, Little John. I step on necks.
Welcome to Bangkok.
Hope you enjoyed your flight and will fly with Thai Airlines again.
Take me downtown. What's the matter, please?
Now look here, I said I need more room. Now beat it!
Oh, you're strong. Woo, you take me home.
You want to try knocking me off?
How the hell are you, Braddock?
Did you get everything?
Yes, I got everything. But it sure as hell wasn't easy.
That's why I appreciate it, Nick.
That's what friends are for, Braddock. Which reminds me, got the money?
Let's go.
No. No need to hurry. Plane won't be loaded for several hours yet. We got a long drive out of town. Oh shit, here comes trouble.
Go get the car and pull out front.
Okay.
Hey, you're not going anywhere, Mickelcheck. Take him to the car.
Jeez. Hey, what's a little bit? Hey, watch my beard, man. Hey, this is...
I warned you, Braddock, not to fuck with us.
Don't try to stop me, little chum.
You're stopped.
Come on.
Freeze, asshole, you're dead!
Excuse me, girls.
Braddock! Cut him off! Cut him off! Braddock! Braddock! Stop right there. Braddock, wait!
You actually made it.
Get your cars! Go after him! Hit it!
Oh no. Jesus, Braddock. Couldn't you line up just a teeny bit? I mean, I gotta live here. You got a one-way ticket out. Oh! goddamn police force after us.
How far is it to the plane?
It's quite a ways out of Bangkok. No, it'll be daylight before we get there.
Hey, the boss, come in. Now!
Are you sure this thing will get off the ground?
Oh, relax, mother. Sit back. Enjoy the ride. We just like Coney Island. Okay, Braddock. Are you going to tell me where we're going now, as if I didn't know?
Along the coast. Gan Rai Bay.
We're going to have to skim the waves when we get there to stay underneath their radar. Hey, Braddock, you done some flying. Why don't you take the controls, eh? Give me a rest. Let's see if you can fly as well as you can drive, eh?
It's been a long time.
Oh, you can do it. I tell you, it's a lot calmer up here than it is in your automobile. You know, when we get to the drop zone, I'm going to put her up into a climb and you'll have about 5 seconds to make the drop before I put her into a drive.
I'll need 10 seconds.
Well, if you're a good boy, I'll give you 10 seconds. Vietnam. I never thought I'd be coming back. I guess we never really can leave, can we? Ah, come on, get your ass back there. I'll take it. Okay, Braddock, you got 30 seconds. Good luck, Mother. See you in hell, you crazy bastard.
Let us each give thanks in our own way.
Xin Chúa ban phước lành cho chúng con. Amen.
Thank you, Father, wise and good, for home and friends and daily food. Bless, dear Lord, the food we take, and keep us all... Oh, my God. And keep us all home and safe. Amen. Please start without me. I'll be right back. Braddock, how on earth did you get here?
Where's my wife?
She doesn't live very far.
Can you tell me how to get there?
I'll take you there. Here. Wear this. There is a curfew. We must be very careful. I tried to tell you how bad it was.
You better go, Reverend. And thanks.
Good luck. God bless you.
Ông ơi, làm ông dừng hai mẹ con thôi.
I thought you were...
It's not important. I prayed you would come for us, and you are here. That is all that matters to Vaughn and I. This is your son, Jim.
Hello, Van. Vaughn Manyoy?
I speak English, brother.
For years, he dreamed about you. Sometimes, in very difficult moments, I would find him talking to you as if you were there. Then somehow you would make things right for him. But one day, he stopped believing. I tried to keep you alive in his heart. I tried.
I guess I know how you feel, Van. Thinking that I deserted you and your mother, but I want you to know that
Vaughn, please.
if I'd known that you and your mother were alive, there's nothing in the world that would have stopped me from coming for you before now. suffered so much.
I know I have changed, Jim. I'm sorry I'm no longer pretty for you.
You'll always be beautiful to me. We have to go now.
We are ready. Demoticon. Let me check the street first.
Man, hurry.
Ivan, Dominic Conan.
Con mắc mơ gì tới mày?
Dừng lại thằng kia, dừng lại.
Mày làm cái gì đó? Bộ mày còn biết chuyện gì mà sao? Đổi đi.
Tôi muốn đi về nhà.
Tại sao mày đến đâu rồi này? Trả lời ngay, muốn phá thọ on.
Dạ không. Tôi muốn đi về nhà.
Mặc sàn từ một đôi, Conan. Đi theo tao.
Mỹ lại.
Cái gì vậy?
Hurry, hurry. The boat's right down there. It might be a tight squeeze, but I think you're going to enjoy the ride, Dan.
If you say so, brother.
Please be patient. We've only had each other for 12 years. And now... It is very difficult for him. He will need some time.
We have all the time in the world.
I love you very much, Jim Braddock. I think I should talk to her son for a moment.
I'll go get the boat ready.
Van Oy, everything will be all right.
You don't care about me now. You only care about him.
It is not true. It was our love that brought you into this world. Your father loves you as I do. If you will only give him a chance. Please drive on. very scared. I know you are. But once we get to America, everything will be better. I promise. Your father promises.
Lynn, we have to get out of here. Hurry!
Foolish. Your lamb. Very foolish to come back. I am General Quack. How do you do, Madame Braddock? Banyoy. And this must be your son, Bang. Very good-looking boy. When I received the report that a strange-looking boat had outrun my gunboats and heading towards Ho Chi Minh City, I took the privilege of assuming it was you, Colonel Braddock, since Reverend Polanski had just returned from your country. But now, Braddock, you must pay for the crimes that you have committed against my beloved country.
They have nothing to do with this.
You are absolutely right. You will find your first test quite challenging. Usually we use people who are a little bit taller. have tested many before, Braddock, and no one has lasted even an hour. Maybe you can be the first, eh?
I'll do whatever you want. Just let the boy go.
You will do what I want, anyways. Well done. Well done, Colonel Braddock. You are every bit as tough as your reputation. I like that. I like that. There, Telljoy. You have not disappointed me, Braddock. This has gone on long enough. Conan! Conan! Đem nó ra khỏi đây.
Mở tay bên kia ra đi. Tao bên này rồi. Đâu khốn nạn. Quý vị theo cậu.
Can you make it? Go to the mission.
Đi vào lên! Đi vào lên! Đi vào lên! Đi vào lên! Đi vào! Đi vào kia!
What's wrong? What are you doing?
Where is Braddock? Where is Braddock?
I don't know where Braddock is, General.
You lie, priest. You lie. We know you helped Braddock.
You must be mistaken.
Jordana! You lie. Perhaps a change of environment will help you to think more clearly.
Mày đây nè mày, thằng nhỏ này. Đi đây. Mày làm gì đây nè?
Mookie ai?
Đó đây nè, đó.
Makiai! Makiai!
Take him! Magnolia! Marlin! Please, no. I can't leave my children. They need me. Of course. I would not want to separate you from your half-breed American bastard children. Take them all! Take them all! Marlin! Marlin! Baggett! Guido! Marlin! 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 Them doing all three. Go down here. Priest, your new home will be go to hard prison. Marlin!
Đừng làm. Stop. Đừng làm. Stop.
In the truck! Man! Where's the Reverend?
I know! I get him, Greta!
Rada, Rada.
Come on, Reverend.
Thank God, Reverend.
kids out of here.
Hurry! We must get away from the truck! Hurry up! Here!
Get out, Reverend!
Không thấy tụi nó.
It's okay.
Kilometers to the border.
You don't expect these children to walk 90 kilometers?
I don't expect a damn thing, Reverend. But walk or crawl, we're gonna make it. Come on, kids.
Come on, Reverend.
The children are dead tired. We must stop to rest. Please, Braddock. You're not very strong.
Wait here.
nhỉ?
Khẩn cấp! Thằng Mỹ tấn công! Khẩn cấp!
Braddock! Braddock! Mugi ơi! Mugi ơi! Đi ngay! Đi ngay! Vào lên! Vào lên! Braddock!
Come, children. Hurry! Hurry! Come, children. Be careful. Be careful. Don't hurt yourselves. Come. Go on, go on.
Oh my!
Come on, kid! Hurry!
Hurry! Hurry! Hurry up!
Hurry!
Sit down and hold on! Come on, damn it!
Come on! Hold on!
Get up! I will kill you, and I will burn those filthy children! Braddock! Dilma! Dilma! Duma!
Hold on. Oh my God.
Get back there with the kids, Reverend. It's gonna get rough.
It's going to get tough.
Mayday, 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 mayday. This is Colonel James Braddock, calling American Military Assistance Command. Come in. Mayday, mayday. Here, take a seat. Mayday, mayday. This is Colonel Braddock. I'm in a crippled C-47. I have a plane load of American children. Losing fuel. I'm approximately 80 miles east of the Thai border. If anyone can hear me, please transfer this message to the American Military Assistance Command. Is everyone okay back there? Are you okay?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. on, Dan. Up the kid. Everybody down. River.
My God. Braddock, there's the border.
As soon as I take the guards out, you get the kids over the bridge as fast as you can. Did you hear what I said? On my way over here, I was wondering what you would be like. I want you to know you're everything I wanted in a son. And I'm very proud of you. I love you.
What the hell is happening, Dan?
Braddock and the children. We intercepted a radio message. They crashed somewhere near here.
Tuân lệnh đồng chí.
Chim no more, Braddock. Chim chip in.
Ben!
Don't go!
Can't leave leave him, Dan. I gotta help him.
Leave it alone, General. He's on his own. No one crosses the border.
They will not dare to cross.
What's he doing?
Hold your position.
He makes one wrong move, we'll climb up his ass.
You got it.
The Americans are bluffing. They will not dare do any more.
There he is!
Oh, Braddock. Thank God you are alive. Come on, Jim.
can see the love of freedom shining in your eyes. I can see the love of freedom in your eyes. Oh, when I look into your eyes, what do I see? It is a love of freedom staring back at me. I can almost see the eagle take the sky, see her fly. It is our love of freedom that has always kept us strong. Let it be the bridge that brings our children home. I can see the love of freedom shining in your eyes. I can see the love of freedom in your eyes. In your eyes, when I look into your eyes, what do I see? I can see the love of freedom staring back at me. And it is in that simple wisdom I know how future lies. It is the heartbeat of America, and it is why we must survive. I can see freedom taking wings. Oh yeah. See her fly. I can hear the children sing. Yeah, I can see it in your eyes. It's the love of freedom. We can't turn our heads and walk away. It is our world and it is changing, growing smaller every day. It's up to us to hear tomorrow's cry. Save the future for our children. Let them see the eagle fly. I can see freedom taking wings. Oh yes. See her fly. I can hear the children sing. Yeah, I can see it in your eyes. I can see the love of freedom. Love of freedom. I can see the love of freedom in your eyes. Shining in your eyes. Freedom. Shining in your eyes. Yeah, I can see freedom. Freedom. Freedom in your eyes. I can see the love in your eyes. I can see freedom. Freedom. Freedom in your eyes. I can see the love of freedom in your eyes. I can see the love